All right, third grade. So by now, you should have downloaded this to Notability. We've done this for many things like math and such and social studies, so you should by now know how to do it. I just want to make sure you can see that. Okay, great. Okay, so what our goal for today is I can explain what causes day and night using the words rotation and axis. And when we looked at our globe, we learned that the axis is how that the Earth is tilted. It's tilted on its axis, on its side. So we're going to write down these two important vocab words. So rotation is the spinning of the Earth on its axis, and it causes day and night. So rotation is the spinning. You're writing this down either on your piece of paper that you have printed or in Notability. The spinning of the Earth on its axis. And it causes day and night. So if we didn't spin, it would either always be daytime or always be nighttime. So it spins around just like we learned earlier in the video. It's constantly rotating. So you can hear the word rotation, you can hear rotate, rotating, stuff like that. It means the spinning of the Earth. Remember to pause this if you need to. So the axis is the imaginary line that goes through the North and South Pole that the Earth spins around. So we're going to say an imaginary line Now this is not the equator. This is a different imaginary line. The imaginary line that goes through the Earth that the Earth spins on. We're going to draw a teeny tiny picture. So I want you to draw a circle for the Earth. And I want you to draw a line sideways through it. The Earth isn't up and down like this, it's tilted to its side. It's not up and down, it's tilted. That is the axis, the Earth's axis. All right, so down here it says, read each statement below. Decide if the statement is true or false. Circle your answer. If the statement is false, make it true by changing the bold-faced words. If it is true, do not make any changes. So let's see, it says the sun rotates around the Earth on its axis, causing day and night. So is that true or false? The sun rotates around the Earth on its axis, causing day and night. Is it true or false? That's definitely false. The sun does not rotate around the Earth. The sun's position never changes. So we have to change these words. The blank rotates around the blank. So the Earth rotates around the sun. All right, so now the Earth rotates around the sun on its axis, causing day and night. Now it's true. All right, next. When one side of the Earth is having daytime, the other is having nighttime. Do you think that is true or false? Think about our globe and our light bulb. When one side was having daytime, when one side was all in the light, was the other side having nighttime? True or false? This is true. We don't have to change anything because it's true. Good job. All right, one more. All right, the Earth takes 12 hours to complete 1 day and night. Okay, think about how long we have a whole day and night. Think about how long it takes the Earth to spin. How many hours are in a day? Is it 12? It's not 12. This is false. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete 1 day and night. We do go 1 through 12, but then we go 1 through 12 again in the afternoon. So it's 24 hours to complete 1 whole day. 1 whole day and night. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to spin around completely, to rotate completely. All right, great job, boys and girls. All right, 3rd grade. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add to our vocab words. I know we just wrote these down, but I want them in your journal, and not everybody had this printed. So everybody will have these words printed in their journal for them to always come back to. So the axis of the Earth, again, is the imaginary line. Imaginary line through the Earth that it spins on. Now, if you have room, you could draw the Earth again with the little axis. Now, don't let that confuse you. To me, it kind of looks like Saturn with its rings, but just know that it's not a ring, it's an imaginary line. Imaginary means it's not real, it's just pretend. So there's not really a line that it goes through, it's just our way to think about that the Earth is actually tilted. It goes this way, it's not up and down, or side to side. It's like tilted. All right, and the next word is rotation. You can remember rotation as moving your hand like this. The rotation of the Earth. It's the spinning of the Earth. On its axis. Which causes night and day. So, if the sun is over here, then it's daytime over here and it's nighttime over here, but then the Earth spins and it's daytime over here and it's nighttime over there. All right, great job today, 3rd grade. You have a short assignment for you to go do. Thank you for working so hard. Have a great day.